Hi everyone, I hope you all will be enjoying good health. Today my topic is related to urinary tract infection, which is abbreviated as UTI. This urinary tract infection is a very common type of infection in our urinary system. A UTI can involve any part of our urinary system including the urethra, ureters, bladder and kidneys. Its symptoms typically include needing to urinate often, having pain when urinating, and feeling pain in a side or lower back. But most UTIs can be treated with an antibiotic. UTI is an infection of the urinary system. This type of infection can involve our urethra, then its condition is called urethritis. If it's in kidneys, then it's called pyelonephritis, and if it's come in contact with bladder, then this condition is called as cystitis. Urine is a byproduct of our filtration system, the kidneys. When waste product and excess water is removed from our body by the kidneys, urine is created. Normally, urine moves through our urinary system without any contamination. However, bacteria can get into the urinary system from outside the body, causing problems like infection and inflammation. This is a urinary tract infection. Urinary tract makes and stores urine, one of the body's liquid waste products. This urinary tract includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder and urethra. As we all know that kidneys are small organs that are located on back of our body just above the hips. They are the filters of our body removing waste and water from our blood. This waste becomes urine. While ureters are thin tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to our bladder. Bladder is a sac-like container. It stores urine before it leaves the body. Urethra is a tube that carries the urine from our bladder to the outside of the body. Anyone can get UTI, but they are more common in women. This is because the urethra in females is shorter and closer to the anus, where E. coli bacteria are common. Older adults are also at a higher risk for developing cystitis. This increased risk may be due to incomplete emptying of the bladder. There are several medical conditions that can be related to this, including an enlarged prostate or a bladder prolapse. It's a condition where the bladder falls or slips out of its usual position. UTIs are caused by microorganisms called bacteria that enter the urethra and bladder, causing inflammation and infection. Though a UTI most commonly happens in the urethra and bladder, but bacteria can also travel up to the ureters and infect your kidneys. More than 90% of bladder infection causes are caused by E. coli, a bacterium normally found in the intestines. A urinary tract infection causes the lining of the urinary tract to become red and irritated, which can produce these symptoms like you're having pain in the abdomen or pelvic area, feeling pressure in the lower pelvis, frequent need to urinate, and incontinence like urine leakage. You're having painful urination that is called dysuria, and you can see blood in the urine. You have to urinate at night and you are having abnormal urine color like cloudy urine and strong or foul smelling urine. Other symptoms that may be associated with the urinary tract infections include that you'll be having pain during intercourse, pain in the male reproductive area, you're having pain in abdomen or lower back pain, you're feeling fatigue, fever, vomiting, and sometimes mental changes. But don't you worry, you can treat this stubborn UTI at your home by just using these three ingredients. The first ingredient is radish. Peel it, grate it or grind it in a mixer and strain it. Now take 4 tablespoons of this radish juice in a bowl. Second ingredient is onion. Peel it, grate it or grind it in a mixer, strain it and take 2 tablespoons of this onion juice and mix it with the radish juice. The third ingredient is lemon. Cut it and squeeze it and take 1 tablespoon of this lemon juice and mix it in a bowl containing radish and onion juice. You have to keep this ratio like 4 to 1. Like you have to take 4 tablespoons of radish juice, 2 tablespoons of onion juice and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix these three juices and daily take this mixture once or twice after meal. Continue taking this mixture for a week and you'll be surprised that your UTI will be no more and you'll be free from this disease. Radish is known to control damage to our red blood cells and in the process also increases oxygen supply to the blood. If you eat it as a part of your daily salad intake without going overboard, it can improve our digestion. It also regulates bile production, safeguards our liver and gallbladder, and is great for taking care of water retention. Radishes are also a good source of anthocyanins that keep our hearts functioning properly, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases as they are high on vitamin C, folic acid, and flavonoids too. Radishes also provides our body with potassium which can help our blood pressure and keep blood flow in control. Radishes has high vitamin C. It can protect from common cold and cough and improve your basic immunity system. This root vegetable is not only good for our digestive system but it can also helps to fix obesity, acidity, gastric problems and nausea. If you drink radish juice every day, you are giving your skin special boosters to stay healthy, and that's mostly because of the vitamin C, zinc, and phosphorus. Plus, it also keeps dryness, acne, pimples, and rashes at bay. If you eat radish a little more in summer, it's probably because it keeps the body hydrated because of its high water content. Lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C, a primary antioxidant that helps protect cells from damaging free radicals. As vitamin C may reduce risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke and lower blood pressure. It supports weight loss. It improves our skin quality because vitamin C found in lemons may help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging, and damage from the sun. It also aids digestion. Some people drink lemon water as a daily morning laxative to help prevent constipation. Drinking warm or hot lemon water when you wake up may help get your digestive system moving. You can avoid bad breath by drinking a glass of lemon water after meals and first thing in the morning. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. Citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and may even break up small stones. Drinking lemon water not only gets you citrate but also the water you need to help prevent or flush out stones. Onion juice possesses antioxidants, anti-carcinogenic, and anti-inflammatory properties. It is rich in vitamin B1, vitamin B6, vitamin C, folic acid, magnesium, phosphorus, and dietary fiber. It possesses a powerful antioxidant called quercetin, which is effective to treat allergic reactions and chronic inflammatory conditions such as asthma. Quercetin assists to eliminate free radicals that lead to cell damage and also strengthens the cell that discharges histamine in the body. Onions lowers the growth of plaque in arteries, which is a cause of heart diseases. The application of onion juice to the affected ear helps to relieve earache as it possesses antibacterial properties which prevents infection. It relieves the tinnitus. Onions supply the insulin, which is a soluble dietary fiber which provides the good bacteria in the intestine. Onion juice treats the heart stroke. Onion juice possesses the anti inflammatory properties which treats bronchitis and respiratory ailments. It possesses the expectorant properties which loosens and dislodges stubborn mucus and also prevents the formation of new mucus. The juice of onions boosts the optimal blood circulation in the skin tissues, which eliminates the pollutants and toxins from the stagnating and forming infections. Onions possess vitamin A, C, E, and quercetin, which helps to provide the skin nourishing nutrients. This also lowers the UV rays effects and also prevents the premature aging. The onion juice prevents the infections such as E. coli, salmonella, and UTI such as cystitis. It possesses huge amount of calcium and is essential for maintaining bone health and prevents osteoporosis. Onion juice possesses antihistamine known as quercetin that prevents the allergies such as asthma. Onions possess an anti-carcinogenic property which helps to prevent the cancer. The daily intake of onion juice reduces the chances of cancers. Onions prevent the oral infections and also counteracts the tooth decay. Onions eliminates the cardiac problem by lowering the homocysteine levels. The presence of chromium in the onion reduces the insulin levels of the diabetic patients. It also enhances the tolerance of glucose. So, if you are suffering from UTI, Drink this juice for at least a week or 10 days and you'll be amazed to see its results. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.